Your masculine energy is disappearing, and you don't even realize it. Every day, modern life is systematically draining the primal power that makes you feel alive, confident, and unstoppable. The energy that drives you to conquer challenges, attract respect, and lead with authority is being silently stripped away by forces hiding in plain sight. Here's what's really happening. Your ancestors possessed an unbreakable masculine force because they lived in alignment with their biology. They faced real challenges, breathed clean air, ate whole foods, and moved their bodies with purpose. Today, we're living in a world designed to weaken men, and most guys are falling for it without even knowing. The synthetic chemicals surrounding you are literally feminizing your body. Every time you wash with conventional soap loaded with synthetic fragrances, you're absorbing xenoestrogens through your skin. These compounds don't just smell artificial, they are artificial hormones that confuse your endocrine system. Your body starts producing less of what makes you masculine and more of what makes you soft. That protein shake you're chugging after your workout might be sabotaging everything you just worked for. Commercial protein powders are packed with processed soy isolates and artificial sweeteners that spike insulin and disrupt your natural hormone production. You think you're building muscle, but you're actually feeding your body ingredients that promote fat storage and hormonal chaos. The blue glow from your devices isn't just hurting your eyes, it's destroying your circadian rhythm and crushing your natural energy cycles. When you scroll through social media until midnight, you're telling your brain it's daytime when it should be preparing for deep restorative sleep. This completely disrupts the natural hormone cascade that rebuilds your masculine energy while you rest. Your sedentary lifestyle is literally programming weakness into your DNA. Sitting in chairs for 8 hours a day creates a cascade of problems that go beyond tight hips and weak glutes. Your posture signals to your nervous system that you're in a state of submission and defeat. Your breathing becomes shallow, your confidence drops, and your entire presence shrinks. The processed food industry has designed products specifically to make you crave more while delivering zero nutrition. Every time you eat something that comes in a package with more than 5 ingredients, you're feeding inflammation and starving your cells of the nutrients they need to produce energy. Your body starts running on sugar crashes instead of sustained power. Air conditioning and heating have made you soft. Your ancestors adapted to temperature changes, which triggered powerful hormonal responses that kept them strong and resilient. By living in a constant 72-degree bubble, you're missing out on the natural stress that activates your sympathetic nervous system and builds real toughness. The constant noise pollution in modern cities creates chronic stress that most men don't even notice anymore. Your nervous system is always on edge, never fully relaxing or fully activating. This middle ground of constant low-level stress is where masculine energy goes to die. Here's how you reclaim what's been stolen from you. Start your day with cold exposure. Jump in a cold shower for just 2 minutes and feel your entire nervous system wake up. This isn't about suffering, it's about activating the ancient pathways that generate power, focus, and unshakable confidence. Replace every synthetic product in your bathroom with natural alternatives. Use soap made from actual ingredients you can pronounce. Your skin is your largest organ, and everything you put on it enters your bloodstream within seconds. Throw away every processed food in your kitchen and replace it with single-ingredient whole foods. Meat, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts. If your great-grandfather wouldn't recognize it as food, don't put it in your body. Your cells will start producing clean energy instead of fighting inflammation. Get sunlight on your skin first thing in the morning and last thing before sunset. This synchronizes your circadian rhythm and optimizes your natural hormone production. 10 minutes of morning sun will do more for your energy than any supplement. Move your body in ways that challenge multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Forget the isolation exercises and embrace compound movements that mirror real-world activities. Deadlifts, squats, pull-ups, and carries will rebuild the functional strength that makes you feel invincible. Create periods of digital silence where you completely disconnect from all screens and notifications. Your brain needs time to process, create, and restore without constant stimulation. Even 30 minutes of phone-free time will start rewiring your dopamine sensitivity. Sleep in complete darkness at a cool temperature. Your bedroom should be a cave, not an entertainment center. Quality sleep is where your body manufactures the hormones and neurotransmitters that fuel masculine energy. Practice controlled breathing throughout the day. Most men breathe like they're constantly stressed, because they are. Deep diaphragmatic breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system and tells your body it's safe to produce energy instead of storing fat. Seek out physical challenges that require both strength and courage. Whether it's martial arts, rock climbing, or simply carrying heavy objects, your nervous system needs to remember what it feels like to overcome real obstacles. Surround yourself with men who are also committed to becoming stronger versions of themselves. Masculine energy is contagious, but so is weakness. Choose your environment carefully because it's shaping who you become every single day. The modern world wants you weak, distracted, and dependent. It profits when you're tired, confused, and lacking the energy to pursue your real goals. But now you know the truth. Your masculine energy isn't gone. It's just been suppressed by lifestyle choices you can change starting today. Pick one thing from this list and commit to it for 7 days. Notice how your posture changes, how your voice deepens, how people respond to you differently. That's your authentic masculine energy returning, and it's just the beginning. Comment "energy restored" if you're ready to reclaim the power that's been stolen from you.